Hey, it's Eric with Spruce Hill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is Friday, June 23rd, and this is the status update of our Valley custom home build. Since I last shot a video, we have had the front roof framed up, we've had windows installed, we've had the back patio door installed, and we've had some fill dropped off for backfilling behind the retaining walls. So let's go jump in and have a look. So this is the front entry for this home. We've used fir timbers and fir timber posts to really set this front entry apart. Above us will be clear hemlock soffit, and that will be done probably in the next couple of months. But just to give you a taste of what things have been done, just thought you might be interested to see what the front entry looks like. I think it looks really cool. All right, so this is the future kitchen. So behind me, I don't know if I've shown this before, but we always post project plans so everybody knows who's coming when and things try to stay somewhat organized. We also post QR codes and 3D renderings of the different spaces so everybody involved in the project can have access to what's going on and see what's going on. You can see we've got the windows installed here, patio door is installed here, and the window for the family room installed over to my right. Really great progress. So we've also had the fireplace installed, which is looking amazing. There's still a bunch of work to do behind the scenes over here to make this safe and to make the inspectors happy. We've also had the stairs finally installed, so no more going up the ladders or anything like that. We now have nice comfy stairs, which are the permanent stairs. Here's what it looks like to make your way upstairs. Good. Stairs feel nice and solid. Here's what that new roof looks like from up above. Looks awesome. All of the blocking and all of the mess from previous videos have now been removed. It's looking pretty clean. I actually haven't even cleaned up here before this video, so this is what the site generally tries to look like when we're at this stage. There's a linen closet that wasn't framed before. This is the upstairs laundry, which is the only laundry in this home. We figure most of the laundry gets made upstairs, so put the laundry upstairs. This is one of the kids' bedrooms. And this will be the primary suite. This wonderful space here will be the primary shower, a little private toilet area. Again, all the windows are installed. Plumbers have been hard at work getting all of the rough-ins in for us. HVAC is pretty much done now. That's the line set for the heat pump that we'll be installing. And then grab here. I just think this is the greatest use of space. Going up here. Bum, bum, bum. Mechanical. In the attic. Doesn't get any more efficient use of space than this, folks. And finally, here's what the backyard's looking like. So you can see the back elevation is now pretty much dialed in with all the windows installed. You can also see the back of the retaining walls, have been stripped. We've got some fairly large piles of dirt. all of this dirt is going to eventually find its way behind these retaining walls, and eventually we'll have a fence across the top there, some shrubs behind those. It's going to be a really clean looking backyard. So anyways, thanks for checking in.